भवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्।
नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Today I'll expand on the Dhamma. The first step of Dhamma, Dharma, integrity, establishes you in the state of Advaita and supports you in transforming the reality of your life. First I will define integrity and then I will expand on reality. How integrity can lead you to higher and higher and higher, finally, highest reality. Honoring the word you gave to yourself and to others as your very life is integrity. Listen. Honoring the words you gave it to you, that is the key point. Honoring the word you give it to others, all of you know already. Society teaches about it enough. Society constantly teaches to you to honor the word you give it to others because it is directly related to society. So it teaches you that, but it never teaches you the word you give it to you also is equally important. Listen, every thought you complete is the word you give it to you. You have to honor it. It means what? Now, you cannot have the thought of suicide. You cannot entertain the thought of fears. Fear is nothing but smaller levels of suicide. You cannot entertain the thought of suicide because if you entertain, it is equivalent to a word given to you and you have to fulfill it, honor it. You should not entertain the thought of suicide. You cannot entertain the thought of fears. Every thought we give it to ourselves will be honored if we don't complete it. Now I know every one of us have a fear. Oh God. Then so many negative things I thought. What to do? There is nobody alive who has not entertained the thought of suicide even for once. Including me. I had the suicidal thought. So listen. Now all of us have fear. What to do if all these words we gave it to ourselves starts getting fulfilled? No, you don't have to worry. Now complete them. Complete them. One by one, sit and declare to yourself consciously, all the negative words I gave it to me, I am not going to honor it. I am dropping it by completing it. And start creating right inner software inner space by bringing integrity as the principle of life. You cannot entertain negative, suicidal, fearful thoughts. Integrity means not just fulfilling, honoring the words you give it to others. The first step of integrity is completing all the negative words you created within you about you and the life. Completing all of them. Integrity starts with meditation. Internalizing. Integrity starts with internalizing. Only when you complete, integrity starts. I tell you, just by completion, you will learn so much of conscious thinking. Internalizing, positive thinking, conscious thinking, breakthrough thinking, everything will happen the moment you bring integrity in you. Now, every word you utter to you, you have to be aware. You cannot just allow, oh, I am not thinking, just it is happening, what can I do? You can't afford to have this space. By completion and dropping, first thing you will drop self-hatred. You carry so much of self-hatred unconsciously, which is responsible for constantly sending negative thoughts to you. Even if you are healed of a disease, whole day you are thinking about, who knows, it may come back, it will come back, percentage of the people, it comes back is too high. If you are constantly saying it is going to come back, it is going to come back. You are going to attract it. Decide you are not going to attract it. It is not going to come back. And it will not come back, I assure you. I guarantee you. Your thinking will have conscious training. Conscious training. Your thinking will have conscious training. Ramakrishna continuously recommends, if you read his books, once in every 3 pages he will recommend, a person should retire from the regular activities at least for 2-3 days, once in 6 months, once in a month, and realign himself towards the higher ideals. When you see all this with your eyes, only then you will understand the power of integrity, power of authenticity. This is, please listen, whatever is happening is power of Dhamma.
Inner awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda, May 8th to May 28th, 2013, Nityananda Dhyana Pita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact
0802 727 9999.
email ia@nityananda.org.
Hi, I'm Alok Sharma. I live in West Lafayette, Indiana, and I study at Purdue University. I came back for summer vacation, and my parents asked me if I want to come to Inner Awakening, but initially I said no, and somehow by a fateful turn of events, I ended up coming here, and I have not regretted it so far. It's been a great experience. We've been doing a lot of things. The yoga, right now I'm late for yoga, so we've been doing yoga, we've been doing a lot of meditation. The food's great. The people here are wonderful. And more than anything else, it's the development of the inner space that we're all here for. And as of now, I feel I've become a lot calmer than I was before, even though I've done a lot of meditation before. Currently, every day I sleep for about 4 hours, but I'm not cranky. I'm happy, and I think that this would be a transformational program for anyone, regardless of age. Thank you.
Nityanandam. My name is Balamurugan. I am from Singapore. I am working as a senior manager in IT company. About Inner Awakening, it's a extraordinary, amazing program. It's gifted by living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda. It is a complete transformation of inner world and outer world. The program has touched all parts of dimensions of inner world and outer world. I personally experience a lot of transformation in me. I can feel I took a new Janma after attending this program. It is a really, really great transformation happened in me. It is a great experiences went through part of program. I recommend this program to all to attend, to whoever want to see the transformation in their life. Come and experience that transformation. Thank you.
Buddha is the man who has aligned with Dhamma. Sangha is group of people who are aligning with Dhamma. But Dhamma is center. Dharma is the center. It is the power of Dharma. Once in a while, you have to retreat from the regular activities and align yourself to integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. Aligning yourself to these great spiritual truths, Dharma. Just by completion, you will learn so much of conscious thinking, positive thinking. Once in a while, once in 2 months, come, spend time with Kalabhairava. Sit with him, talk to him, and complete all the incompletions. Restore your integrity, restore your authenticity, restore your responsibility, restore your enriching consciousness. Go with the strength. Just by completion, you will learn so much of conscious thinking. When you clean your inner space with power of integrity, you will realize all the contradictions, conflicts, confusions you carry is responsible for your whole life, for all your actions, all the reactions you attract from others, all the happenings of life. ध्यान से सुनिए. All your actions and the reactions you attract from others and the happenings of life, you are responsible. Integrity will teach you automatically responsibility. You will understand for everything happening in and around you, everything happening, you are responsible. Integrity is the first lesson. Integrity is the first lesson of spiritual life. Integrity is not just a simple vow, simple word, simple thing. Integrity is all about ironing out your thinking, aligning your thinking. If you bring integrity to your inner space, you will realize even accidents are attracted by you. You are attracting accidents in your life. Everything you attract. You attract. Whether it is wealth or poverty, right or wrong, everything you attract in your life. You are responsible for your life. When you start living integrity, suddenly you will see so many truths are revealed to you. So many understandings happen to you. Alignment will happen in you. As on now, your mind is like a zigzag puzzle tied in the gunny bag. Integrity will align all those zigzag puzzles and make it a proper drawing. When you bring integrity, you bring dance to your inner being. Dance brings certain rhythm to your body. Integrity brings the same alignment to your thinking. The grace of Bharata is brought to your thinking by integrity. You have to start the completion with yourself first. I am not giving you some spiritual principle which is some theory kept in some book, impractical. No. It is direct, practical lifestyle. You need to have this as lifestyle. Start the completion with you. You will see so much of junk in you is coming out. You are becoming such powerful clearance, clarity, the pure consciousness. You will see Pratyagatma Chaitanya, Jagrata happens in you, inner awakening happens in you. It is so difficult for ordinary human being to believe he can be in completion. I tell you, you can be in completion from my own experience. Completion can be your inner space. Completion, being in the state of fulfillment, is possible. It is possible. Integrity starts when you are in the state of completion. Then you will start honoring naturally every word you give it to others also.
ಒತ್ತಡವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿದ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ಭಯ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಂತೆಗಳಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ಉನ್ನತ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿತ್ಯ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಯೋಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಮನೋವಿನ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ತೊಡೆದುಹಾಕಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾಗೃತಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಶಿಬಿರ. 7 ಪರಿವರ್ತನಾಕಾರಕ ಧ್ಯಾನ ತಂತ್ರಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸಶಕ್ತಗೊಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆನಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜನ್ಮಸಿದ್ಧ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಮರಳಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ, ಬಿಡದಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ
0802 727 9999.
When you complete continuously, suddenly you will know so much of inner space is available for you to create new things, new happenings, new incidents around you. You will start attracting new things. Integrity is such an important value in life, Dhamma in life. It directly aligns you with the Dhamma of universe, the Dharma with which universe is functioning, the Dharma with which cosmos is functioning, the Dharma with which cosmic constitution and cosmic law is operating. You will be able to understand only when you bring yourself to integrity. You will have answer for hundreds and thousands of questions which you have about life. Why so much of poverty and richness? Why there is a gap between have and have-nots? Why I am what I am? Why the creation is the way it is? Everything, for everything, you will have answer. Integrity is the first step. Inner awakening is happening to you. Integrity is the first step. Inner awakening is happening to you. Listen. You will realize the conflict-free, contradiction-free, confusion-free lifestyle happening in you the moment you bring integrity. Integrity with yourself. Integrity with yourself is the first principle of cosmos. In cosmos, constitutional rights and the law both are one and the same. Listen. In the cosmos, your rights and responsibility both are one and the same. They are not two different things. Integrity is your right and responsibility. In the country's constitutions, every country there are some rights given to you through constitution and some laws controls you in the cosmos. Rights and responsibility both are one and the same. Please listen. In the constitution of the country, sometime your rights are given to you through constitution, your responsibilities are reminded to you through laws. But in the cosmos, your right and responsibility both are one and the same. Vidhi, Nisheda, both are one and the same. In cosmic constitution, integrity is the first declaration. It is your birthright and responsibility both. First right you are given by the cosmic constitution. First responsibility you are asked to follow by the cosmic law. Both are integrity. Bring integrity. When you align the words, you give it to you, you will become so conscious, aware of what you are thinking every moment. Automatically, all the awareness meditation techniques, self-remembrance techniques, vipassana meditation, everything will happen just by integrity. Ramana Maharishi's Atma Vichara, Buddha's Vipassana, Ramakrishna's Atma Samarpana, everything will happen just if you bring integrity to your inner space. The breakthrough thinking will happen in you. Bring integrity to you in your inner space by doing Swapurnatva Kriya, completing with yourself, completing and dropping all the negative patterns you created in you, which you feel as part of you, and create a complete you. Out of that complete you, whatever you project to the outer world, you will experience that without conflict, because when there is no inner conflict, there will not be outer conflict. Not having inner conflict, and because of that not having outer conflict, is Advaita. That is Suddhadvaita, Shivadvaita. Nityananda Sampradaya is basically Shivadvaita Sampradaya, Suddhadvaita Sampradaya, Suddha Shivadvaita Sampradaya. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore. Contact
08027279999.
www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.